In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable XLSFX in Claude. First, let's open Claude and sign in. You want to ensure you use the correct login credentials associated with your account. This is crucial because accessing your account is the gateway to all functionalities within the software. Once you've entered your username and password, you will see the main interface of Claude appear. The login process is seamless, and you should feel reassured knowing your account is secure. If you encounter any issues while logging in, double-check your credentials for accuracy. Once you are signed in, look for your profile icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. It usually resembles a small silhouette or your profile picture. Clicking on this icon will bring up a menu that offers various options related to your account settings. This step is important as it serves as the entry point to customize your experience within Claude. When you click on the profile icon, you will observe the menu expand, showcasing options like settings, support, and account details. This is a straightforward action, but vital for the next steps. Next, click on Settings from the menu that appeared after clicking your profile icon. This action takes you to a new interface where you can adjust several preferences to enhance your usage of Claude. In the Settings menu, you will find various categories to choose from. This is where you can fine-tune your application according to your needs. By navigating to Settings, you are taking control of your environment in Claude, which is beneficial for optimizing your workflow. After clicking, you should see a new screen load with various options related to your account settings. From there, open the Capabilities section. This is a critical step because it will allow you to access the features needed to work with .xlsx files effectively. In the Capabilities section, you will see different functionalities listed, which can include code execution and file creation options. This part of the process is essential for enabling the features that allow Claude to handle various file types. Once you click on Capabilities, look for the options that will help you with your .xxl files. Now you need to turn on code execution and file creation. Locate these toggles and switch them to the on position. This action is pivotal because enabling these features allows Claude to execute code and create files, which is necessary for working with spreadsheet data. You may notice a visual change such as a color shift or a checkmark, indicating that these features are now active. This small adjustment opens up a world of possibilities for your data manipulation tasks. After that, refresh Claude or start a new chat. Refreshing is important to ensure that the changes you made take effect. By reloading the interface, you are allowing Claude to recognize the new capabilities you just enabled. If you are starting a new chat, simply navigate to the chat interface where you can continue your work with the new settings applied. You will likely see a brief loading screen as the application refreshes or opens a new session, assuring you that your changes are now active. Finally, upload your .xlex file again. You will do this by clicking the Upload button or dragging the file into the designated area. This is the moment where all your previous steps culminate in a practical action. By re-uploading your file, you can now take full advantage of the capabilities you just enabled. Once your file is successfully uploaded, you will see a confirmation appear, indicating that Claude is ready to process your .xlex file. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled XLSX functionality in Claude. This process enhances your productivity and allows you to work efficiently with your spreadsheets. Remember that each step you took was essential for achieving this capability, ensuring your experience with Claude is seamless and effective. Thank you for watching and happy working.